What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase power faster in LAZ survival shooter. So, in this case, there are a few things here that you need to learn and you need to understand here with LAZ. Now, first off, your power basically tells you, tells the game how strong you are. Now, it comes from your character's level. Now, your weapons, gear, and even your companions. Now, and all the upgrades you actually stack. Now, if you want that number to shoot off fast, there's a few things that you need to understand here. So first is you want to start leveling up your character through the main missions or side quests and dailies here. This actually gives them most XP here. Don't skip those because they also unlock features that help you grow even faster here. Now, in this case, what about the weapons and gears here? Now, you want to upgrade them as often as you can using materials that when you get duplicate or fragments here, evolve them and gives a big power boost here. Now, higher rarity gear like purple or gold here matters a lot, and if you can equip a full set here, or you get a bonus stat that really push your power up. Now, also, when you're actually upgrading your companions here, usually you may hit a ceiling here. So, for example, let's go to our characters here. So, there are limits to your characters here depending on your current HQ level. So in this case, you may want to go ahead and just make sure to focus on upgrading your HQ as much as you can. Now, if that's available, you could go ahead and just upgrade your HQ here so that you could also upgrade your character. And also, you may want to join a guild if you haven't. So in this case, you get like passive boost, access to guild bosses here as well. So in this case, it's a great for you to get some extras on the side if you want to, like if you join a guild. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.